Now, that storm also caused the house fire in German Village when lightning struck, and this was quite a mess for a little bit.
Certainly was. NBC4's Matt Edwards is live at the scene there on Sycamore Avenue with a look at the damage. Matt.
Well, you guys just mentioned it. I'm someone who didn't sleep through the storms. A lot of people I've seen online waking up without electricity this morning, but this kind of puts it in perspective here. These two people in German Village had their house hit by lightning overnight. They are going to be out of here for at least a few months. Right now, they're going to need a new roof. So much water damage, of course, from the firefighters putting out those flames overnight. Fortunately, the homeowners were able to get out of their house uninjured. We have learned that two firefighters were struck by a falling ceiling. They are expected to be okay. Not any serious injuries there. And you see the video from last night as they battled this blaze. A January lightning strikes causing the fire mainly to the top and the backside of this brick house. A new roof, as I just mentioned, going to be needed, and all kinds of water damage on the top floor of that house. But again, the important thing here, no serious injuries. Let's bring you back outside live right now, because just about 2 to 3 doors down from that home, they have a gas leak right here on Sycamore Avenue. Not believe that this is in any way related to what happened with the fire at the house. However, Columbia Gas out here roping off this scene, as Jennifer mentioned. They're going to have this area shut down for a while. In all likelihood, they're going to have to do some digging up here. We saw it bubbling up out of the brick. So a lot going on in German Village this morning, but most importantly, no one injured from all that's happened here overnight. We will keep you updated as the morning progresses. We are live and local for you in German Village this morning. Matt Edwards, NBC4.